Hey there, spice lovers. Welcome back to my channel flavorsalt.com. Today, we're diving into a world that's sure to turn up the heat. I'm talking about my all-time favorite, flavor bomb, hot red chili. So grab your aprons and let's get spicy. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Why should I spice up my life with these fiery little pods? Well, besides the obvious joy of turning your taste buds into a party zone, let me hit you with a few cool facts. Fact number 1. Did you know that red chilies are packed with vitamins? Yup, they're loaded with vitamin C, which is great for your immune system. A study from the University of California even suggests that chili peppers can help reduce inflammation. So technically, you're not just enjoying flavor but also boosting your health. Win-win, right? Okay, but here's where it gets really fun. Let's talk about how you can spice up your daily meals. Here's my go-to spicy salmon dish that'll knock your socks off. Here's my go-to spicy hot red chili salmon dish that'll knock your socks off. Here are the ingredients. First things first, we're gonna take some fresh salmon. Now take salt, pepper and olive oil. Now we are making chili lime sauce. Take a bowl and add soy sauce and honey, mix it. Add some chili flakes, red chili powder, some chopped garlic and lime juice, and mix it well. Now the sauce is ready, mix the salmon with salt and pepper, and add little bit of oil. Now take a pan and add some oil, and salmon and fry it. Now change their sides. Now add all the chili lime sauce. Mix it well. And boom, our salmon is done. Just plate it. I bet you wouldn't be able to resist. OMG, the flavors. It's rich, spicy, and so satisfying. Seriously, you guys need to try this at home. Your taste buds will thank you. Cooking with chilies is fun, and don't forget to let me know in the comments how you like the recipe. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you enjoyed this fiery adventure, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more spicy fun, and share your own chili stories below. Until next time, keep it hot, keep it spicy, and remember life is too short for bland food. Bye!